Okay, good afternoon. I'm Kun here from Subaru Satyalam. So now I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery on your Subaru key fob. So first of all, turn the key to the back. You'll see this small silver square. Press it and pull out your key, the physical key, right? So you press it in, you pull out your physical key. Then now you need to use a small tool to pry open your key fob. So in this case, I'm just using the edge of the scissors. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere around here. Okay, so put it in and then just pry open gently. That's all. Okay, so you'll open up and you can take this part out separately. So this is the battery here. It is CR2032. You can get it at a lot of watch shops, even Mr. DIY, you can find it. Alright, so this part you have to be a bit gentle. Two clips here to remove the battery. So just pry open, maybe use your fingernails gently. It's a bit tricky. Yep, just like that. It's out, right? So new battery here. Right. Take out the battery, pop that out, put it back in. Alright, make sure the clips are in, put back the key in the right position, make sure it's flat. Okay, now it's flat, not wobbling. Put back the key, press it in, right, firmly, and there you go. It's done. Thank you.